How strong is your attention? Can you truly focus? Or do you find yourself constantly distracted, getting lost in social media, and struggling to complete even simple tasks? In today's world, focus has become almost a superpower. Phone notifications, social media, emails, and constant messages, our brains are more scattered than ever. But how can we escape this mental chaos and extend our attention span? Here are the secrets to mastering focus and attention. William James once said, "The art of being wise is the art of knowing what to overlook." This is because attention determines where you invest your energy. If you struggle with distractions, you're actually losing control of your life. So let's start by understanding the root of the problem. Why does the brain struggle to focus? The biggest enemy of focus is dopamine addiction. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. Every time you receive a notification, a short message, or watch a funny video, your brain releases a small dose of dopamine. This creates a temporary feeling of satisfaction, but weakens your ability to focus. Over time, the brain becomes addicted to small, easily accessible rewards and struggles to engage in deep work. Stanford psychologist Clifford Nass explains, when our brains are constantly divided, we lose the ability to sustain attention. Many people get bored within minutes of starting a task and immediately seek distractions. However, mental efficiency comes from the ability to lock your focus onto a single point. So how can we improve our focus? Here are some powerful techniques you can apply immediately. 1. Train your brain for single tasking. Multitasking is a myth. Studies show that people who try to do multiple tasks at once are 40% slower and less efficient than those who focus on one task at a time. This happens because the brain cannot truly focus on two things simultaneously. It just rapidly switches between them, losing energy. Solution: focus on one task at a time. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and work in distraction-free time blocks. Use the Pomodoro Technique, where you work for 25 minutes with full concentration and then take a 5-minute break. This helps your brain enter deep work mode. 2. Strengthen your attention muscle. Just like a muscle, your focus improves with training. Harvard's Dr. Daniel Goleman states, attention is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Daily focus exercises, meditation. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day on simple breathing exercises. Meditation trains your brain to focus on one thing at a time. Read books. Instead of scrolling on your phone, read at least 20 minutes a day. This strengthens your ability to focus for longer periods. Gradually extend your focus time. If you can currently focus for only 10 minutes, increase it by a few minutes daily. 3. Control your digital consumption. Do you often find yourself lost in social media after checking just one notification? This is a sign of dopamine dependency. Cal Newport, author of Digital Minimalism, emphasizes that reducing digital distractions is one of the most powerful ways to improve focus. What you can do: keep your phone away while working, limit social media usage by setting specific hours for checking it, track your screen time to become more aware of how much time you're spending online. 4. Optimize your environment for focus. Your surroundings significantly impact your ability to concentrate. A noisy, cluttered, or distracting environment makes it nearly impossible to stay focused. How to improve your workspace. Choose a quiet area or use white noise to block distractions. Declutter your workspace. A tidy desk helps clear your mind. Use focus-enhancing music like classical music, lo-fi beats, or nature sounds. 5. Make focus a lifestyle. Improving focus isn't a one-time effort. It must become a habit. As Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Long-term focus habits. Start your mornings mindfully. Avoid checking your phone first thing in the morning. Instead, try deep breathing or enjoy a quiet moment with your coffee. Take short focus breaks. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, or step outside to reset your mind. Take care of your health. Quality sleep, a healthy diet, and regular exercise all enhance your ability to focus. Conclusion: master your attention, transform your life. Your ability to focus determines the quality of your life. A mind that can fully immerse itself in a task is both more productive and more peaceful. Instead of letting external distractions control you, learn to direct your attention consciously. Now take the first step. Put your phone aside, silence your mind, and fully focus on what truly matters. Because those who control their attention control their lives.